What's going on, Airsofters? Flannel Operator 762 here, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some footage that I recently filmed at Augusta Airsoft Field here in Virginia. Now, this is one of my favorite fields that I've ever been to in my 6 years of playing Airsoft, and I highly suggest that if you guys are in the area, that you drop by and check it out. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah. This guy's aiming right at you. Ready? Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. Frick.
Your mother was a hamster, and your father smelled it over. Hey! Good hit.
Thank you.
Keith hit too.
Okay.
We just step out. I know this is a dumb idea.
Who's this guy coming from? You good? Woo!
The guy who actually just scored, and then he was right there. Nice job.
Yeah. Hey, how's access coming from here, going around that way on them?
Not that bad. You could do it.
Okay. But it says going around the trail or just going right here? Coming, John? Okay, let's go. Turn him up. Go out that way. Shoot. Watch it. Man. So watch that go that way. Oh shit, hit. There's some guy right up ahead here.
That's me.
Hey, girl. Hey guys! You friendly? What team? What team? What team? What team? You dead? You on that side? Hey guys! Hey! There's a guy in the second story of this complex right here, behind the plywood. There's one of them, at least. That's going to be the killer, if anything. Ready? Oh! Shoot. I don't know if I can go high.
You got hit.
It's like really hot right now. Yep, guy right here. Good shot. Thank you.
Oh, I forgot all about you.